Hi there, it's Rob. This is the content and silo course, and it's video 2, and we're on to page types. Now, again, to try not to do 30-minute videos, I'm going to tell you stuff for page types fast, and some of it you'll have to look up. One of them is the themes. Oh, sorry, all my training is based on WordPress. So if you're using anything else, Squarespace, Wix, please don't use Wix. Squarespace, I read yesterday, is a little bit better than Wix. It's still worse. So use WordPress. And WordPress is now standard with Gutenberg, which is a block system where you drag a block module onto your page and then you work within it. So you'll drag an image block or a video block or a text block, and then you'd open that block and type your text in it. Okay. When you do the training for the websites on my site about working with WordPress, etc., you'll see what I mean. So my page types in my case are always based on Divi, which is just a fancy version of the Gutenberg. In other words, a far nicer drag and drop module system that can literally do anything you like. Right, now you can also have pages that you pre-design or you even buy pre-built, and you save them to your library on your website. It's something I highly recommend you do. I see I mentioned it further down here, and that you save those modules, pages, types of pages, posts, whatever they are, and you reuse them. Okay, there are also, it's pretty cool, there's lots of ones you can they come built in the system. So there's that page type. Some of the pre-built ones can be a little bit daunting in the beginning with design, so you've got to decide where and when. Again, you go through the training on that. And again, I've covered posts versus pages in detail before on the website training, but basically a page tends to be the bigger stuff, and a post tends to be, and it's even seen that way with Google in a structure, a post tends to be newsy bits that are like satellite pieces that link to the pages. Okay, so again, pre-built pages you can get, and posts, by the way, and they can be and you can set them up. Posts are for categories, but you can do all of these for inside. You'll see when I cover silo structures and stuff down here. Do I cover silo structure? Sure as hell hope I do. There's certain ways that you'll do them, but basically your pages, it's pretty much for Google, that you'd have pages in your silo structure, and pages that Google appreciates are pages, and your posts will be inside below, like in the pyramid system in the silo, and posts connect to categories. So in other words, you'd have categories for, let's say you do camping, so you'd have categories for tents, categories for grilling and cooking, categories for sleeping gear, and those will be categories. And most of your, even though you'll have a page for tents, all the posts that happen under there, or small pages or posts, will be posts that link up to your main page that was on tents. Okay, so I'll explain it in silo, but it's pretty straightforward. It's a pyramid system that works. Pages being at the top of the pyramid, and all the posts up and under from below. Right, now, when again in the WordPress training, you'll see that you can save and build up all sorts of types of modules and pages and menus, and once you get them going, it's pretty handy. I kind of, even this training now, I've been building the page. I built the page a long time ago. Now I just load a style of page that's already got the video modules in it. I change the title, I change the description, and I kind of tell you, there we go, and I just add in the video links that I've loaded to YouTube, and pretty easily I've got a completely new style done of page, but on the same layout, coloring, the same everything, because it was saved into the Divi system. All of that's pretty well covered in the whole of the Divi training for pages, so go there and double check that. Okay, cool. I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers.